a really radically unique way of trying a case, which I learned today. It's called the speed trial, and this is something that is taught by attorney Joe Freed, who is a tractor trailer wreck lawyer in Atlanta, Georgia, and he is also a trial lawyer's graduate. Basically, the idea of the speed trial is condensing a 2 or 3 week trial into 1 or 2 days. Seems impossible, but he breaks down every component of the case and shows us specifically how to do this. So, beginning with, who are the absolutely essential witnesses of your case? If you've got a lineup of 17 witnesses, can you pare it down to 4 or 5? And then once you've pared it down to just the essential witnesses, and you know the 3 or 4 items that each witness needs to prove in their testimony, then what you do is when they testify, instead of going through all of the background and where they were born, when did they get married, and all this other stuff, boiling it, getting right to the point. And who are you? Why are you here? What do you have to tell us? Insulate them from cross-examination, tender the witness. Basically, 5 very simple steps. Why are you here? Get the key points out right away, because let's face it, the jury is going to forget everything they say unless you get to the point really quick. Another key tip that Joe Freed gave for the speed trial is, as the witness is testifying as to the 3 or 4 critical points, that you use what he calls a butcher pad, a large pad, and you write down each point that they make, because the jury will forget things that are said, but they will remember things that are nonverbal, and that would be written down on this checklist. So what the goal here, really knowing, is that all of the little tiny stuff that you can add to a case is going to be quickly forgotten. The complexity is the enemy of a plaintiff's attorney. You need to boil the case down to its simplest, most essential points and not worry about all the little details. Edit them out, throw them away, make the case super simple, because if you don't, the jury will be lost. The other thing, in jury selection, Joe Freed recommends that you tell the jury that you're going to do your absolute best to present the case as quickly as you can in terms of the number of witnesses, the length of their testimony, and everything. And not only do you tell that during jury selection, but throughout the trial, you remind the jurors and the witnesses that you're going to try to make this as quick as possible for them, because you recognize that they have things to do, whether that be a vacation, a medical condition, you name it. You're respecting their time. You're not just doing that in jury selection, but throughout the testimony of the witnesses, you're making statements like that. So I think the speed trial, which is taught for free by the Trial School. The Trial School is a program that was started by Rich Newsom in Orlando, a very successful Orlando, Florida plaintiff's personal injury lawyer. I was very impressed. Membership is free, so you can join the Trial School. You just have to be a plaintiff's only attorney. And I strongly recommend this program about the speed trial is being given in 5 different locations, including Newburgh, New York at Finkelstein and Partners, easier for you, and also improve your chance of getting a plaintiff's verdict. That's it for today. Check out the Trial School and specifically the speed trial by Joe Freed. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share the video with any of your friends. Take care. Bye-bye.